Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space again, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your own knotless braid at home by yourself, guys. This is one of the best thing I have done so far, and this is one of my favorite hairstyle I have done so far on this channel. So if you want all of the tea, make sure to keep watching and do not forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel and if you find this video helpful. Okay, so the extension I'm using is from Lush extension. It's a Nigerian brand, and I'm using the mega braids in color 127, and this is the first time I'm using an extension of this color type. I just wanted to try something new. I didn't want black, so I wanted something bright a bit. Okay, so it comes with what you're seeing. It's pre-packed, it's been pre-cut, pre-stretched, and you just remove it and you're ready to go. This is the first time I am using something like this on this channel, and I absolutely love it. Just like the name of the brand, the extension is Lush. It's very soft to use. It didn't tangle. I didn't have any problem using it at all from beginning to the end of this video, as you would see if you keep on watching. So I am basically just prepping out the extension, and at this point I was really thinking, so I wanted a small knotless braid, and I was really thinking, I hope this extension is going to be enough, because one packs retail for 2,600 naira at the store where I bought it, and in dollar that should be around $3, $3 that should be around $3 to $4, $3 to $4. Okay, so I am basically trying to like prep my extension, have it pre-packed. Like, I don't have the braid, that extension stacked in, so I am just arranging it by the window side very next to me, so it makes the braiding process very easy. Now we are going to start, guys. I really want you guys to come closer and see how we are going to start this. If you keep on watching, I'll give you all of the tips: how many days it took me, how many hours it took me, what I feel about the extension, was it heavy, did I like it. So make sure you keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys to keep watching now, and I'll be back to talk to you guys again. Okay. So for the front side, as you guys can see, that I actually started the front side with an extension, and that was because the hair at that side of my head is very tiny and I didn't want to put too much pressure by starting with my hair. Okay, so I basically started with extension and very tiny extension so that the difference is not noticeable. So this is the last strand, guys. I was legit tired, but I was happy doing it. So I'm sure you can see the way I was joining the extension and just making sure that the joining is not very obvious. I also had my sister rate my hair at the end of this video, so you want to make sure that you watch up until that part. And also I would like you guys to leave me your own rating in the comment section. Let me know what you think. What do you think about the pattern? What do you think about the size? It took me I would say it took me a whole day to do it, because the day I had prepared, I started like later in the evening. I didn't finish, so I finished up like the next day afternoon. Okay, so I'm just going to say it took me a whole day because the prepare took me a few hours, because I really wanted to prepare it. I didn't want to start patting and braiding. Pre-parting is like, it makes your job easy. It makes it very, very. See, you are blushing and smiling, and that was my sister hyping me at the background. Like, guys, I was so happy. My face looks way beautiful. You can't tell me nothing. I am not even humble. Like, this hairstyle just just made me go from 0 to 100. Like, I absolutely love it. I think I did a good job, and I'm going to rate myself 8.5/10. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section. It is absolutely time consuming, I'm not going to lie. If you know you don't have the time to do it, it's okay to go to the salon, but for me, as I said earlier, it's a form of self-care. I absolutely love making my hair myself. It also makes me understand the texture of my hair and to care for my hair myself. So after finishing the last strand, what I did was to show you guys what is left from the extension. So I would say I use five. I'm very tiny. Like, I use five of the pack. Five, like you guys know it's in six. So this is all that was left from that one whole pack. And this is just me trying to stretch my back and massage my scalp and my butt at the same time. So I absolutely love the length. I think the length is okay. It ended up getting to like waist length, and I absolutely love it. I love this hair. If I'm going to go to the salon to make something like this, I'll spend nothing less than 10,000 naira. So I went ahead to trim it off camera, and now I am dipping it in hot water. Like I always say, there is no trophy to anyone that dips their hair in hot water themselves. But if you can do it, fine. If you can't do it and you're home alone, please get someone to help you. Please be very careful. Hot water is not the skin's friend. So be very careful. I can do it myself because I've done it more than once, twice. Like, I'm not a pro, but I can do it myself. So I'm also massaging the body of the extension where the hot water did not get to with a damp towel, a damp hot towel, and also massaging my scalp to like ease the tension off my scalp. And I needed it. It felt good. It felt really good. It also makes the weight of the extension go down. Like, it makes your hair feel sleep down. I don't know, like it makes the hair relaxed. Okay, so after that I went ahead to just trim off the tip of the extension, just very tiny bits, very very tiny. And I was still massaging my edges and my scalp generally with the hot towel. After all of this is done, I went ahead to give my scalp and the extension some good care, and I'll be showing you guys the products that I used in a bit. Enough of the damping I did doing. What is it? Day enough. But I really just wanted to make sure that I damped every part of the hair from my scalp, and it also like reduces the pain when you damp it with hot water. But please be very careful. So I'm going in with my mega growth oil, and I am applying that to my scalp, to my parts, and like a growth oil to your scalp. like to help my scalp feel good. And I'm also taking like a few minutes to massage my scalp. And I think after this, 2 days after, I asked my sister to help me massage to help me oil my scalp box by box. So after doing this, the next product that I went in was the anti-dandruff spray from Mega Growth, and I just applied a very little one just on my scalp, my edges. My hair is not dandruff prone, but this is a protective hairstyle. You want to make sure that you start the journey of a protective hairstyle well. You want to care for your hair well, you want to care for your scalp well. You don't want to say because it looks good on the outside, you don't want to care for your scalp. So the last thing I applied was my leave-in conditioner, and that was also like to my hair, to the body of the extension, just to give you a little bit more shine. And I went ahead to lay my edges with my shine and jam, which I think did very little. Like, I don't know, I need something that can lay my edges. I need something that can lay my edges. I'm using this particular shine and jam. I need something that can lay my edges. If you have any recommendation, please leave it in the comment section. I want my edges to be laid. I need something that can lay my edges. This one that I did after tying my hair down and taking out the scarf, it was gone. Like, it was gone. I need something LD that can lay my edges, guys. If you know anything at all I can use in laying my edges, please share with me in the comment section. Then I applied the mousse to the body of the extension. I made sure to apply from where my hair stopped, because I just don't like the mousse on my hair, like this particular mousse. Yeah. And after that is it.
So I would rate this. So my initial rating was, I think, 3.
You said 6?
No, 3. Yes. Then 6.5. Then 6.5. Now I would say, because the pattern is good, the braid is good, the joining signs are not really showing, so I would say maybe 8.
You guys edit, and that is it. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. If you haven't seen the tutorial on how I part this hair, because I didn't part it in this video, if you actually watched it, so if you haven't seen that tutorial, I'll have a link up here and in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, click the like button, share this video, and make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Rate me over 10, 1 to 10, 1 being like very poor and 10 being top notch. You guys edit from someone who is saying it physically. 8. So let me know what you think watching it on camera.